Alright, HVAC people. So we got some units here that they want to get a quote on, see what it's going to take to repair and replace. I think this, I'm not sure, so I'm gonna have to, I say either had a new compressor or a new harness. Oh, look at that, that's refrigerant right there, folks. Look like refrigerant down there, blown out or something. I think this is gonna be my unit right here though, I'm really not sure. Kind of building kind of weird how it's set up, but let me see what I can find here. I'm gonna go turn it on, take a picture. I got 84 degrees there. Access.
Tripping the breaker.
Yeah.
Box. Okay.
Yeah. If it's that one on the if it's going that way, I'm gonna verify it's going that way. I seen it. Yeah, okay. It's refrigerant that way. I think it blew out the.
So they had a freon change from like R22 to something else.
To 410A or 407C. 407C or 410A.
427A.
Okay. Okay. All right. So let's see what's going on here, folks. Gotta see what how this is. All right, so I really want to follow the refrigerator line, make sure that's my unit, which it looks like it. Cause they building, yeah, I think the compressor is shot. They want to see if this compatible. No, R22 refrigerant. So I'm gonna put in here, replace the air handler and condenser. All right, folks, easy install though, but that compressor do look shot. But I'm gonna go verify to make sure this R22 compressor, yeah, unit. I'm gonna see if it said tripping the breaker. But we can give them a quote on putting a new compressor up in there. But they want a quote for repair and replacement. All right, so this is the breaker box. So I want to locate the condenser unit outside, which is right here. We'll turn this off, and it's the furnace. Then I'm gonna go check that compressor. Leave the furnace on. Just make sure it blows. Alright. So the furnace fan works. Yep, so good on that. Alright, so I want to go around here and just make sure I got 24 volts out here. I might go ahead. Compressor do look like it's shot. I'm gonna go and we're gonna make sure though, so I'm gonna get my tube back, see what's going on. All right, folks, so this is the unit. Like I said, I think it blew its charge. I see a lot of residue on that compressor. I see a new harness on that compressor too, so I don't know if somebody maybe tried to replace the harness. Really what's going on here. Let's see if we got some refrigerant in here though. I want to say no. And I could be wrong. Don't smell that good though. Might need to do an acid test on it. But we do got refrigerant in there. All right, so the breaker off right here, disconnect off. I got supposed to have the breaker off on the inside. Say it's tripping the breaker. All right. It like a 3-ton carrier. All right. So we got a new cap. New cap. As you can see, the contactor is engaged, so this should be my unit. All right. Alright, so check for voltage, make sure we're not hot. Alright, so bam, that's 0 volts, 0, 0. Alright, so let's check ohms. Good there, let's check with the wire. That's that condenser fan mode, I think. We need to take one of these off. Let's take this off and check it to ground. I think that's the fan motor right here. Could be the compressor though. Let's check the compressor. All right. Let's check this reel. I think everything can be grounded. Let's discharge this cap. Alright, so I want to see what's going on here. That's that fan here, I think, yeah. What's this right here, man? Purple Hearn, something. So you got I probably should take a picture of all this, but I'm trying to remember, hook it back up like it was. Check this right here. Man, something might be touching or something. Okay, I'm put everything back how it was. Take a picture real quick. Then do a little investigation for. Alright, this seems like everything grounded. Let me see here. Make sure there ain't no wire across it or nothing like that. Go with this right here. I'm gonna take the top off. Oh, man. Say the compressor shot. So that purple is coming from the compressor. I see the horn is like halfway out. Also see what somebody They say they changed the refrigerant now. She couldn't really give me the correct name on the thing. I think they went probably NU22 or something. I ain't no telling. Right. Alright, so I got black, yellow. So black, yellow. Yeah, this gonna be the fan right here. Black, yellow, and brown seem like. So the yellow, I think, common on the fan. All right. Yeah. All right, folks. Let's see what's going on here. Like I said, I need to at least peek at that. Let me cut this zip tie though. Need to at least peek at that pecker head, what we call it. So I'm gonna take it off from down here. I want to unhook this fan. Right around. I think black, just 3-wire fan motor. Move it out the way. All right. So I don't want to look at this terminal block here. Okay, terminal block look good. So I thought maybe it lost a load or something, but I don't think so. I was looking at all this, but that don't look bad. The terminal block, that look pretty good to me. I see what somebody repair something right here. Got a braid right there, and maybe where all that residue come from. All right, so we can at least test the compressor to ground. Might be grounded, but go ahead and. This is a ZR 32 KA PFB. All right. So while we're this far, we can at least go ahead and check the compressor to ground. Hopefully my camera don't get too hot out here. Been having a little difficult here lately. Right. Let's see if we got a direct short. I'm gonna scratch this right here real good. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we got a direct short to ground, compressor grounded. All right, so ain't no need of checking that. Grounded compressor. So I recommend compressor. Really, even recommend a new fan motor. I'm gonna take a picture of this compressor. Yeah, ain't no need of me troubleshooting any further. We got direct short to ground. Direct short the ground, folks. I'll show you. Alright, what we got right here? 0.7, 0.5. Yeah, I got direct short the ground. Alright, HVAC people, so I'm gonna wrap this one here up. They're gonna need a new compressor, new condensing fan motor, or just replace the whole unit. I did find out what kind of refrigerant they were using. They replaced the R22 with 427A. I don't have any 427A, but I do got R22, but I might well just push for a unit replacement. But hey, if I got a compressor, if I had that compressor in my shop, I'll go ahead and put that sucker in today. You know what I'm saying? Charge it over some version 22. Alright, these back people, we out though.